Today's the 18th, so let's go ahead and open box number 18. Okay, and we have the Rebel Trooper. A standard regular Rebel Trooper with the rifle and the helmet. Very nice. Always enjoy to get more minifigures. I wouldn't mind a Star Wars Advent Calendar that has all of their minifigures, even if it costs like 2 times the current retail price. Because after all, it's the minifigures that are really important to the collection, from my point of view at least. So yeah, so there are 2 faces. There's alternate face printing, obviously. So angry expression, is it? Yeah, slightly angrier, more tense expression compared to the normal, smiling face, slightly smiling face. So probably go with the slightly smiling face for now. Just thinking relax a little bit. Yeah, visor. Yeah. I'm always a little bit unsure about the direction of the visor, but yeah, you get an extra piece of that black visor piece, so very good to have always. Okay, as for the legs, it's standard light gray legs, so nothing special here. And then you have the rifle, which we can put on either hand. Oopsie. So there you have it. This is the Rebel Trooper. Thank you for watching.